Hey, it's Aaron, and today we'll be going through the solution for Gemini. This puzzle is a level 7 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. So the main goal of this puzzle is to fit these 5 diamonds into this one tray. So, to begin with, we will place one in, so the flathead's in that corner. Then this piece actually, you could put it in whatever way. It really doesn't matter. It's going to just fill up the same square no matter what. You'll put this one in and then twist it so that we have the flat here. And then like so. So they're all flush in the tray and we're all good to go. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.